Welcome to this training on pipeline visibility and forecasting accuracy. In this series, we'll explore how to build transparent sales pipelines and improve the reliability of your revenue forecasts. Understanding your pipeline is fundamental to predictable business growth and successful sales leadership. Pipeline visibility is critical for four main reasons. First, it enables better forecasting by giving you accurate data to predict future revenue. Second, it allows you to detect problems early. Third, you gain strategic insights into your sales process bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Finally, visibility creates alignment across your entire organization, from sales to operations to leadership, ensuring everyone understands where deals stand and what needs to happen next. To build an effective pipeline, you need to track 6 essential metrics. Start with deal stage, which shows where each opportunity stands in your sales cycle. Second is deal value, the amount of revenue you expect from closing this deal. Third is close date, when you forecast the deal will be won. Fourth is account owner, making clear who is responsible for moving the deal forward. Fifth is deal health, which reflects activity level and customer engagement. Finally, document next steps so everyone knows what actions must happen and by whom. Most sales organizations face 4 recurring challenges. First is incomplete data. Many deals lack critical information, making forecasts unreliable. Second is inconsistent stages. Different team members interpret pipeline stages differently, causing confusion. Third is unreliable forecasts. Without good data, predictions miss targets and create surprises. Fourth is lack of communication. When information lives in separate systems or stays siloed with individuals, leadership and operations can't align around reality. Create standardized pipeline stages that match your sales process. A typical pipeline has 5 stages. Stage 1 is prospect, where you make initial contact and qualify if this is a real opportunity. Stage 2 is discovery, where you understand the customer's needs and challenges. Stage 3 is proposal, where you present your solution. Stage 4 is negotiation, where you work out terms and final details. Stage 5 is close, when the deal is signed and execution begins. Make sure every team member understands exactly what each stage means. Accurate forecasting requires 2 elements. First is win probability. Based on the deal stage and your historical data, assign a realistic percentage chance that this deal will close. Different companies use different percentages, but the key is consistency and honesty. A proposal stage deal might be 50% likely to win, while a negotiation stage deal might be 80%. Second is deal weighting. Multiply the deal value by the win probability to get the expected value. For example, a $100,000 deal with 50% probability equals $50,000 in weighted forecast value. This method gives you realistic revenue projections instead of counting every deal as if it will definitely close. Improve your forecasting accuracy through 4 proven techniques. First, conduct regular reviews. Set a cadence of weekly or bi-weekly pipeline reviews where the team discusses changes and adjusts forecasts. Second, use conservative estimates. Avoid over-optimism by being realistic about probabilities. Third, build scenario plans. Create best case, base case, and worst case scenarios to understand your range of possible outcomes. Fourth, track leading indicators. Monitor activity metrics like calls, meetings, and proposals sent. These activities are predictive of future closes. If activity drops, problems usually follow. Learn to spot warning signs that indicate deal trouble and positive signals that indicate momentum. Red flags include no activity or engagement for 2 or more weeks, which suggests the customer has lost interest. Another red flag is missing decision-maker involvement. If you're only talking to one person and haven't engaged the actual decision-makers, the deal is at risk. Repeated delays in next steps signal hesitation or internal obstacles. Finally, lack of budget or authority confirmation means the customer hasn't committed resources. On the positive side, healthy deals show regular meetings and active communication. Multiple stakeholders are engaged, not just one person. Clear next steps are documented with confirmed timelines, and the customer has allocated budget and initiated their procurement process. Follow 4 best practices to maintain a healthy pipeline. First, enforce data entry standards. Require salespeople to fill in all required fields completely and accurately before advancing a deal to the next stage. Second, document deal context. Capture who the decision makers are, what their challenges are, what they've said, and what agreements have been made. Third, enable accountability. Make clear who owns each deal and who is responsible for each next step. When ownership is ambiguous, deals stall. Fourth, create a consistent review cadence. Pick a day and time each week or every 2 weeks for pipeline reviews with your leadership team. During these reviews, discuss deals, identify risks, and adjust forecasts based on new information. Use technology to make pipeline management easier and more reliable. A CRM system serves as your central database, tracking every deal, interaction, and note. Dashboards provide real-time visual views of your pipeline, showing deals by stage and forecast totals. Analytics tools help you analyze win rates, understand sales cycles, and identify trends. Alerts and automation notify you when deals are at risk or tasks are overdue and can automatically execute workflows. Mobile access ensures your team can update pipeline information and view dashboards from anywhere. Finally, integrations with email, calendar, and other systems reduce manual data entry and keep information synchronized. Choose tools that fit your process, not the other way around. Remember 3 critical lessons from this training. First, visibility drives accuracy. When you have clear, accurate pipeline data, your forecasts improve dramatically and your decisions become smarter. Second, standards matter. Consistent pipeline stages, clear ownership, and uniform processes create accountability and make it easy to see what's really happening. Third, continuous improvement is essential. Pipeline management isn't something you set up once and forget. Regular reviews, honest assessments, and willingness to adjust your approach are what drive accuracy over time. Build transparent pipelines today, and you'll create sustainable revenue growth for tomorrow.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.